Hey guys, I'm going to go over your assignment for tomorrow. So we start right here on your apps. Go to Google Classroom. Okay. Then you go to classwork. And here you're going to see that today you should have done your biography assignment, which was just reading the biography that we assigned and answering the comprehension questions. And tomorrow you will be doing a writing activity. So you come to writing. Okay, and here are the instructions. It says log on to Pebble Go. Here's the username, the password. Click on biographies, click on athletes, choose an athlete to research, and fill out Google Slides. So what you will do is you will once again go to your Google Classroom. Okay, classwork, go to frequent sites, go to Pebble Go, sign in. Okay, let's try it again. Let me double check. Engaged and learning. Okay, technical difficulties, not a problem. Let's just try again. There we go. Okay, so you come over here to biographies, click biographies, go to athletes, and then you can pick any sport that you want and any athlete that you want, because what you'll be doing today is you will be creating a presentation on the athlete that you've chosen. So I'm going to go ahead and choose basketball, and I'm going to choose Dirk Nowitzki. Okay, so when you come up here to your classwork, you're going to click on Biography Google Slides. And this is what your presentation will look like. So on name, you would not put your name. I will already know that it's from you when you submit it. You would put the name of the athlete that you're researching. So I would put in Dirk Nowitzki. And the sport that he played was basketball. Okay. You can change the background on this. So let's say, for example, that I wanted to do an orange background because I'm talking about basketball, then I would do that, right? I could make his name bold. I could make it be centered. I could make it be humongous, right? Or bigger. Okay. You can add images, and I'll show you how to do that here in a little bit. So here we go to the next slide, which is early life. So date of birth, that's obviously his birthday. Family dynamics, and what that means is what did the family look like? Did he grow up with his mom and dad? Did he have any brothers and sisters? Did he grow up with all his cousins? And that information you might not be able to see from Pebble Go. You could always ask your parents to help you look for that, or you can just skip that part, delete it, it's fine. And then where they grew up. So I would come back up here to my tab. And here it says, okay, Dirk Nowitzki was a pro basketball player. He played for the Dallas Mavericks for 21 seasons. Dirk was born on June 19th, 1978 in Würzburg, Germany. So I would come up here and I would put, let's see, June 19, 1978. Okay. So I would put Dirk was born on June, so I just go back, not a problem, 19th, 1978. Germany. Okay. So once you come back up here, you'll see that's just the introduction. You go to early years. And it says here, Dirk started playing basketball when he was 13. He was noticed by NBA scouts in 1998 while playing a game in Texas. He decided to move to the United States and enter the NBA draft. Okay. So once I come up here, obviously I didn't find out anything about his family dynamics. That's okay. I don't have to put that. But here we can put he grew up in Germany. he, let's see, started playing when he was 13 and, okay, started playing basketball when he was 13 and was noticed by a scout during a game in Texas. Okay, so that's his early life because we're talking about when he was born and we're talking about kind of how he got started with his career. And like I said, you can always mess around with it and make the font bigger. It's your presentation. So we come up here to career. So that's NBA. Dirk led the Dallas Mavericks to the playoffs in 2001. He was named NBA MVP in 2007. 4 years later, he helped the Mavericks win their first NBA championship. So you can choose to put all of that information in there in your own words, or you can just pick your favorite part. You don't have to make it super complicated. So we can say, we can go back to this and put in, he played for the Mavericks for 21 seasons. So I would like to add that to career. So I will put here, Dirk Nowitzki played for the Dallas Mavericks for 21 seasons and was the MVP in, come back up here, 2007. Okay, then you can add, if you are choosing to do him, then you can add about when he led the Mavericks to their championship, when they won, which was in 2011, anything like that. So awards and accomplishments, you could also add the MVP thing here. You can put the NBA championship here. I think that's where I would put that. So I would put, he helped, so he helped the Mavericks win their first NBA championship 4 years after being named MVP. Okay, easy. Then you come down here to your next to last slide and we've got later years. So this is basically where you would put the information about the person that you're studying, about what they did after their career, you know, because people have to retire or maybe they get injured. You will find out just different things about whoever you're doing your report about. Okay, so I would come up here and here's later years. Dirk played in 14 All-Star games. He scored a total of 31,560 points in his career. He holds many league and franchise records. Dirk retired in 2019. And then contribution. Dirk started the Dirk Nowitzki Foundation in 2001. The program focuses on children's health and education. Dirk has also worked with the Make-A-Wish Foundation. He has even delivered toys to children's hospitals on Christmas. So that's kind of what I would add here. On later years, I would put that he scored a total of 31,560 points. I would actually put that in the career part. And then anything that I read on contributions, I would add to later years on your Google Slides, right? Because that's what he did once he stopped playing basketball professionally. Okay, but again, it's your report, it's up to you. Now on this one, I left this slide blank so that you could add a picture of the person that you're studying. Okay, so what you do is you come up here and let's go ahead and make the background a different color. I'm gonna make the background black on this one, okay? And then I'm going to insert an image and I'm going to search the web, okay? So it pulls up Google right here, which is really handy, and I'm gonna put Dirk Nowitzki, here it is. All right, so I will add this picture, insert, okay? And then maybe I wanna add his name, right? So I could put insert text box, and I could put, oh, can't see it. Okay, So let's let's make the letters this color. Okay. Dirk Nowitzki, a great basketball player. His career was spent with the Dallas Mavericks. That's it, right? Let's just say that I just want to put that because he really did play his whole career with just them. So then I kind of want to change. Let's try this. This looks fun. I like that. Now I want to make this big. So let's try, that might be too big. Yep, too big. So come back up here. And then I want to make that go in the middle. Yeah, okay. So that's the end of my presentation. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? So if you have any questions, please call me or text me or send me a message on Dojo. I'm super excited to see your biography reports.